So a lot of people are crazy excited about XRP right now. And I've actually got two very interesting things to show you in this video. But before I do, I recommend you guys to go ahead and press that like button, as I try to always share whatever comes across my way. And those two things I want to share, I have got to start with this right here, because this is by far what's been brought to my attention the most. Many people have been spamming me about it, and I should actually go ahead and give him a little like. Take a look at this. Ripple Partners Update. As of October of 2023, a presentation unveiled that Ripple, as of this moment, has got more than 500 partnerships. And the reason that is so exciting is because for a long while, Ripple has been in a massive lawsuit with the SEC. And for the most part, they didn't really give us any updates about what's ongoing and what the new things were. And I described to you guys why, from Ripple's perspective, that's really smart. The main reason is because I know many crypto project founders. I told you guys some I know very well because of the investments I've placed, and some you meet, you talk with, and some I'm kind of just friends with, I guess. And the one thing I noticed from all these guys is that nobody wants to announce things in the bear market. From one perspective, because if you announce massive partnership, a phase 2, a new token idea, whatever, it's gonna kind of fall on deaf ears, meaning people aren't as excited. But that has two parts. On the one end, that's bad because you'd prefer to get your announcements out there when everybody's in peak excitement mode, right? To fuel them more. And second of all, if the price doesn't move a lot, people give up. It's that simple. Like we've seen with the whole XRP debacle after the lawsuit ended. The moment the price didn't go crazy within minutes, a lot of people were like, you see, it's not going anywhere. You see, oh, sorry, my monitor fell out. I thought perhaps I'm getting attacked or something. You guys probably didn't even see that. So you must be thinking, why is this guy blurring? Anyway, that's my point here, that could be a good reason why Ripple really didn't announce too much. And I said before, I think a lot of GameFi projects had this too, but in the bull market, a lot of these guys that have been building in the bear will start announcing things. And specifically for Ripple, they were in a massive lawsuit with the SEC. People had more important things to think about than Ripple's partnerships or whatever was going on with XRP. It was more important to fix this lawsuit. And now recently, I don't really have any tweet to show you about that, but I did hear it around. There have been talks of settlements. There have been talks of ending this whole SEC Ripple debacle because it's still ongoing. Not about XRP itself or its status anymore, but still about Ripple's involvement, Ripple's sales, etc. But the thing is, people were not so happy. They were kind of neutral, if not quite negative. It had two sides, because a settlement would mean that getting this entire case finished, because the SEC will eventually appeal, would take even longer. And people are thinking it should all just be over with and it shouldn't keep extending. But honestly, guys, XRP status is never going to change again. So I don't really mind whatever Ripple does. And I personally think whatever choice they make, it's probably the best one, because obviously these guys don't want to lose money either. I mean, yeah, they're not stupid. And on that note, I think lots of things have happened for XRP and Ripple in the background that they've just never let us know. Now, one thing I will let you know is if you've got access to Bybit, check this out. I've left a link down below. As you can see, you can get yourself a $500 XRP USDT position. This is a trade for absolutely free. Just go exactly to the steps right here. I use Bybit for almost every single purchase I make. And if you're new to trading, it is always highly recommended to use the free bonuses that the exchange offers, because that way you're not risking your own money. So take these things very seriously, because it could turn into a lot if you play your game right. But I digress. Giants like the Bank of America are on board. International powerhouses like SBI Remit and Tranglo are in the mix. Ripple's network is creating a web of global influence. Do you believe we see US regulation anytime soon? And then we've got ourselves a little screenshot from a presentation that indeed does showcase a lot of different partners with, at the bottom right, 500 plus partners and growing. If you're watching this friend, make sure you press that like button, because this is pretty exciting stuff. Not all these partners are using XRP per se, but I'd say it's It's important. Don't worry about it. I'm fine. The most important part about it is that I kind of see it as leads, meaning even though some of them are not using XRP yet, many of them will turn into customers, will turn into adopters, because at least they were interested in some of Ripple's services. And like Brad Garlinghouse said, the hardest part is getting the initial contract. Getting them to adopt a solution that saves them even more money, that's not so hard. If they were willing to work with a fintech company who, for a very good part, relies on crypto, getting them to use the crypto, I don't think that's the hard part. Anyway, on another note, I'd say, because we're just stacking things that are pretty juicy for Ripple specifically, and I will also add, if you are looking to buy Ripple stock, I will also leave a link for that down below because people don't know. Yes, you need accredited investor status depending on which country you're in. Just requirements might be different. In some countries, you don't need anything. But if I don't forget, I'll leave a link down below. Because often I hear people say, Dusty, this is not bullish for XRP, only for Ripple. So I've got Ripple stock, dummy. I want Ripple to do good as well. And no, I've never been given Ripple stock. I've never been given XRP. Matter of fact, I could even state here right now that most people at Ripple that I've spoken to, I didn't even like. That doesn't mean I don't think they'll succeed though. You always get my raw, honest opinion about these things. And perhaps it's because I'm a Dutchie, you know? I don't have no filter. If these guys are dumbasses or they're jackasses, I'll tell you, don't worry about it. We are another hour into the future because my camera fell out and I started going crazy on altcoins again because I'm telling you guys right now is altcoin prep season. It's funny, but we're not in peak bull market times, but this is the best time, I'd say, to stack up the proper altcoins. And so that's what I'm doing every single day. It takes a lot of time to send money around. And last run, I wouldn't say my accounting was on point. Tax-wise, I'm always good. I'm just talking about where exactly I had which money, how much I invested in which coin on which platform, yada, yada, yada. This time, I'm doing everything the most proper way because we're not going for those small gains anymore. Sometimes I give you guys hints about the sizes of our operations, but we're good. It's big banger season. Like I was saying though, that Ripple stock option right now is sold out. It gets sold out all the time. But this is what the platform link to looks like. And again, the valuation changes as well depending on how much new stock becomes available. But again, this is pre-IPO Ripple stock or even Circle or Uphold that you can buy. We've got multiple different ones you can buy as well. Again, not a sponsorship, but if you use the link down below, you get $500 for free. That means the moment you, I believe, purchase your first stock, you get $500, boom, that you can use to buy more stocks. So it's definitely a nice deal they've got there. And that second thing I was referring to is this. Ripple confirms approval in 31 US states for money transfer licenses. With 31 money transfer licenses across the US, excluding CA, NY, TX, and Florida, it's setting the stage. Ripple's global reach extends to Singapore with a rare regulatory green light in June. Despite the SEC's attack on crypto, Ripple continues to thrive. And indeed, from almost any perspective, Ripple is doing pretty good right now. You can see it's got itself 1.5K likes, 129 bookmarks, and New York taking another L for not trying to comply, not trying to make the lives of US people easy. Matter of fact, I really feel for people in the US that are in states that are just completely anti-crypto. I mean, let me know in the comment section down below, do you have easy access to crypto? Because it's really interesting to me just how difficult it is in some places to buy some. Like, I'm talking here about that Bybit option, right? And then I notice, yeah, a lot of people don't have access to it. But then when I share different exchanges on here that everybody can access, people don't fully understand how they work, I notice, or this or that. I really want you guys to be fully prepared for the next bull market because if you're not, guys, take this seriously. If you're not prepping now, I'm begging you, prepare now. If you do it too late, you're gonna miss it. Oh, what's this? I just saw it change in front of me. What? I had to go through some steps. What is this? Okay, we've got ourselves another little break here because something is trying to access my Twitter. I will say it once more again. In case something happens, right? In case my YouTube goes, in case my Twitter goes, I've only got two main ways, three, I guess, to reach you. Instagram, you don't have to, right? But I'm just saying, for in case something happens, check back on these platforms. Instagram, we've got Telegram, and I highly recommend you guys to join that one because even today, I posted a little update that I will be only posting in Telegram, nowhere else, 0 other places, only in Telegram. And now my camera stops This is not a good day for me. I'm not sure what's going on here, guys. Maybe it's not meant to be. I had 2 more videos that I really wanted to get out to you guys. My top altcoin update and another news update that is irrelated, not related to XRP, but maybe today just ain't the day. Maybe I should go for it tomorrow. What's going on? What I was trying to say was, if you're in that Telegram though, whenever I put up a post, just let me know if you appreciate it by hitting a thumbs up. You can do that by right-clicking or going with your finger over it and then pressing a little emoji. And if you think it was stupid, you can put the downvote or something. I think it's fine. So I can kind of gauge what type of posts you'd like to see more often and what type of updates you'd like to see. Because as I said, guys, right now is the time to shine. I'm going to try in every way, shape, or form I have to keep you guys as informed as possible. And that might mean that I might even go, this is crazy for me to say, but I might even go and get a spin-off channel or revive my other channel and just post trade updates there as well. Because with the way in which crypto is moving right now, this channel is going to be too full of news to cover all my trades every single day. But I think a lot of you guys would be very interested to see more about trading. So perhaps I should put it on a different channel. Let me know what you think about that. 1 trade update every single day. And I'll probably post them on 5-Minute Crypto, which is my second channel. What do you guys think about that? If not posted in over a year, time flies. Funny, last video I posted, Bitcoin was at $21,000. Just crazy to see how much we've pumped since then, huh? But if I'll be doing that, I'm going to require a lot of you guys' support because it's going to be a lot of work. All you've got to do is just keep those likes pressed. That's all I'm asking. And I'll get you guys exactly whatever I think will help you the most. That's about it. Hopefully I'll see you guys again tomorrow.